Well, yeah.
Maybe
Go
you're
lick
just
Heather.
a good smelling
Sophie,
dog.
go lick Heather.
She's lucky.
Well, she has scent glands under her
You
eyes
hear?
that are very
Nice.
strong.
She purrs.
Go!
She's getting pretty good at that.
One more time.
Oh, it's probably not the best on her legs.
No.
It's different.
I
I would say
don't
that's
want to
probably
take her to the
not-
vet
Yeah.
because of the entertainment.
No, she'll never grow long legs. She'll always be like
Do it more.
40 pounds and 3 inches from the ground.
Vicky's family just wanted to see her keep jumping off the stand.
She's got little casts on her legs walking
Yeah,
around.
little wheelchair.
But she makes the funniest noises.
She kind of snorts.
Yeah.
Yeah, make her bark. That's good.
It's her.
Sophie wants to play too. No, we don't want to do that.
Well, maybe you don't want to.
I don't want to sleep with the barking dog. She does bark though. Not much, but she barked about 2 minutes today, didn't she? I think she saw Sophie.
Molly. Such a grunt.
She's like a pig.
No.
Should have named her Miss Piggy.
She's not a little pig. She's just a little bit stout.
No, I think the noise she makes too.
Oh, yeah.
Listen to her.
No, that's a cut. That's
No.
No, that's her.
Rattling, but she's making noises though.
She's snorting.
Yeah. Why don't you email me that
Okay.
film? That's easy to do.